Hi everyone, here we are with IELTS Life Skill A1 Important Topics. जो भी कैंडिडेट्स आने वाले वीक्स में इस एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं या एग्ज़ाम देने जा रहे हैं वो इन टॉपिक्स को ज़रूर प्रिपेयर करके जाएं. सो लेट्स डिस्कस इन डिटेल. सबसे पहले जो टॉपिक है वो पर्सनल डिटेल. तो आपको पता ही, आपके बारे में पूछते हैं, आपके वर्क के बारे में, स्टडीज़ के बारे में भी पूछ लेते हैं. फिर जो कॉमन टॉपिक है दैट इज़ अबाउट क्लोथ्स, कि किस तरह के क्लोथ्स यू लाइक टू वियर, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्लोथ्स डू यू लाइक टू वियर, और डू यू हैव मैनी कलरफुल ड्रेसेस, व्हाई डू पीपल लाइक टू वियर कलरफुल ड्रेसेस, और इससे रिलेटेड भी आपको क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं वो. फिर दूसरा जो टॉपिक है वो है चाइल्डहुड के बारे में भी पूछ लेते हैं कि डिड यू एंजॉय योर चाइल्डहुड, what is your first memory or any memory you remember from your childhood. Next topic that is about free time activities, hobbies and interest. What do you do in your free time, do you have any hobbies or interest. फिर जो टॉपिक है गाइस फैमिली, क्योंकि आपको पता ही है ये स्पाउस के लिए टेस्ट है तो उनको पूछ लेते हैं who else is there in your family, tell me about your family, general questions like how many members, what activities you like to do with your family members. Then daily routine, what is your typical daily routine. Food and cooking, do you like cooking, which is your favorite type of food. Then the questions are about travel and holidays, do you enjoy traveling, what was your most memorable holiday. Then questions are about friends, do you have many friends, how do you usually spend time with your friends. Quite easy questions if we talk about. Then sometime about future plans as well. Weather guys, weather is very important. What kind of weather do you like, or what kind of season do you like, and what kind of activities do you do in this type of weather. Then health related question, what do you do for your health, leisure time activities. Next जो topic है very important topic about transport. Do you use public transport, private transport, do you drive car, is it easy to drive in your place, what about traffic, kind of questions. Then the questions are about books, what kind of books do you like to read, are you reading any book right now or currently. Then the questions are about music, do you like listening to music. And then about TV, what type of shows do you like, how much time do you spend on TV or watching television, or what kind of programs are your favorite. Then the questions are about photography as well, do you like to click pictures, what kind of photographs do you like, is there any photo you like the most and who clicked it, kind of you can talk about that. And then the questions are about favorite person, favorite personality, who is the person. Hey, this is not topic guys, they ask you question, who is your favorite person, who is your favorite person in family, kind of that. It's not a cue card type. Next जो topics हैं guys वो बहुत important है. birthdays, parties, festivals, celebrations. वो कोई भी हो सकता है कि कहाँ आपने सेलिब्रेट किया लास्ट बर्थडे, या कोई पार्टी में आप गए, व्हाट वाज द सेलिब्रेशन अबाउट. फेस्टिवल, विच फेस्टिवल इज़ योर फेवरेट, व्हाट डू यू डू ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर फेस्टिवल. और नेक्स्ट जो टॉपिक है दैट इज़ अबाउट शॉपिंग, लाइक शॉपिंग कहाँ करते हैं आप, किस तरह की शॉपिंग और किधर करते हैं. लाइक डू यू गो टू शॉपिंग मॉल्स, एंड इन योर टाउन डू यू हैव अ नाइस शॉपिंग मॉल. And when you buy clothes, do you consider color important and all. Means color, shopping, clothes, it can be anything related to the shopping. Next topic is jewelry. General questions like do you like to wear jewelry, where do you buy jewelry. Then the questions are about restaurant, like which restaurant is your favorite, or it can be about cafe as well. And last but not the least is about exercise, physical health. So guys, these are the important topics on which they can discuss with you in Life Skills A1. Thank you.